Hi, I'm Robert Slick from A1 Carpet Man in Salt Lake. I'm going to show you how to rip out the old existing carpet. Okay, to rip out carpet, you're going to probably need a pair of pliers, you're going to need a scraper, and you're going to need a pry bar. You take the pliers, and you grab the edge of the carpet, and you pull it out. And then to remove the pad, in a wood floor, you got tack on it. You got them all tacked down. Okay, you're going to need a scraper to knock out them staples that's in the ground there. And that'll remove your pad. We're going to remove the tack here because some of this tack is bad. So we remove the tack with a pry bar. Okay, we just removed the old tack, and you got to be really careful with this stuff because it's got little spikes in it. It's going to hurt your fingers. Again, I'm Robert. I just showed you how to rip out your old carpet.